Hey, what's going on, guys? Wolf Millionaire here. Got another learning for you guys to help you be more efficient at engaging with your audience, whether that is leaving comments, replying to comments, or replying to DMs. This trick is going to save you a lot of headaches and a lot of time so that you can do more of what you love in life, while giving you the ability to engage with your Instagram following. If you haven't already, make sure you sign up for my free Wolf Millionaire Instagram webinar, where I teach you 9 amazing ways of how you can make money with Instagram. The best part, you don't even need a business, product, or service, and most of those ways don't even require you to have thousands of Instagram followers. So go to www.wolfmillionaire.com and sign up for my free webinar. Hit me up and let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, you guys can go to my blog at blog.wolfmillionaire.com and read up on my my weekly free learnings, where I teach you everything from how to grow Instagram cannabis accounts and how to lock down your account with my Instagram security Bible. So let's get going on today's, vlog, learning, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to teach you how to do text replacement on iOS. And if you haven't already, I've got a very famous iPhone versus Android blog post on my blog that kind of highlights the pros and cons between the devices. I highly suggest you take a look at that if you are an influencer or trying to decide what phone is going to be best for you as an Instagram moneymaker. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to dive into settings. And once you open settings, you're going to look for general, and then we are going to slide down and look for keyboard. Click keyboard, and then we're going to click text replacement. And as you can see, I've already got a bunch of text replacements set up, and well, I might as well run through them. This one, whenever I type in the hashtag or pound and write about or about for some of you, this is what spits it out. It spits out, an about me. When I want to type in my blog into a comment or DM, all I have to type in is hashtag blog. When I want to tell people to click the link in my bio and sign up for my free Wolf Millionaire Instagram webinar, all I have to type in is pound click link. So as you can see, I've started to create a bunch of these to make my life using Instagram on my iOS device a lot easier. If you have or haven't been following along, I've got 2 devices. I use an iPhone 7 Plus and an Android Pixel XL. And my Pixel XL, I use a text replacement program called, I believe it's text replacement or TextSpand. That's what it is, TextSpand. And that basically allows me to do this, but on my Android as a third-party app. Now, the iOS world, or Apple, doesn't like those third-party world applications that do those kind of keyboard macros for you on your mobile device, even though there is a Mac program called Keyboard Maestro, which does. I haven't been able to find a program that does what TextSpand does on my Android for my iPhone, and that's why I'm showing you this text replacement tool, which is the happy medium to get this done and save you time and allow you to respond and engage with your audience faster, quicker, and more efficient, so you can spend more time growing your account and making money. So let's walk you through it. From here, we're going to click the plus. And it's really simple, guys. The shortcut here is to either use the hashtag and hello for the example. Now, one thing you should remember, I don't ever use these kind of like simple one-word hashtags like we've got here, like pound hello, for any kind of hashtag. So that's going to be safe for me. But if I set up this shortcut as pound hello and type it anywhere on my Android, on my iOS device, it's going to spit out whatever phrase I have here. So if you're using, more descriptive shortcuts, you might want to use something like pound hello, because that's pretty much never going to be typed. You're never going to type in pound hello if you're using the hashtag hello in Instagram or emails or anything on your iOS device. So that double hashtag is kind of an easy one to make sure that you don't ever use that by accident. And then the phrase, this could be whatever you want it to be. You cannot use the enter key to make line spacing in your phrase. That's the only limitation here of the text replacement. But you can use emojis, you can use special characters. And so I'm just going to show you that how we do this. So a shortcut for pound hello let's just say, hey dude, long time. I cannot type today. Long time. Thanks for stopping by and leaving me a message. Nice and simple. Maybe we'll do one of these, and one of these. And if you can see what I've been typing here, when I type in some word like hello, this here is the Swift key program that I have taught you all. If you haven't, go and read my blog post on it, which is a text replacement program that basically also helps me be more efficient at typing for Instagram and on my phone. So that's what you're seeing going on down here when I'm typing, and it's kind of like trying to guess what I want to say. So as you can see, it just is a one-line phrase. If I go all the way back, you'll see a long time, thanks for stopping. Next thing is to save it. The shortcut cannot contain spaces. Okay, so here's a good learning. I probably have a space. See how there's my cursor is here? It's because I had a space after hello. You have to delete that, and then you can save it. There can't be any spaces in your shortcut, okay guys? Only in your phrase what is going to be replaced. So there we have it. We have our double pound hello, and now let me go show you how to use it in Instagram. And so let's follow up with this older post, which I didn't do a good job of responding to comments. And here we go. Let's reply to, let's see, loving what you did with your Porsche brother. Let's reply to Car Kings. So we're going to do pound, H-E-L-L-O. And the second I hit space, boom, look at that. And then I hit post, just like that, guys. So that right there saved me from typing all this stuff to reply to one of my followers' messages. And that's going to allow you to respond much quicker to all of your followers that leave you comments. It will help you leave comments on other people's stuff that you might repetitively say. And will respond to help you automate your DM responses if you are marketing or selling something or get asked the same question over and over. So that is today's tip. Sorry it took me so long to get back on YouTube, but you know, as an Instagram consultant and master in the art of Instagramming and social media, I have been in high demand and working on several new projects, which I'm very excited to launch and share with you guys. So with that being said, I am hopefully back to creating these little walkthrough, step-by-step YouTube videos to help you guys do better on Instagram. And if you want to learn more, go to wolfmillionaire.com, sign up for my free webinar. And if you want to learn everything, sign up for my Insta Wealth Growth System. And I will teach you everything step by step, just like I have today. Hope you're having a great day, guys. Cheers.